Alrighty, Demon 2-speed. I'll take the rest of it apart. See this gear? This is the yesterday. I had this all replaced, all retightened up. You'll see what I mean when I rip it apart. But basically, thread locker, everything. Second gear, still loose. My main screw down the side here is still tight. I'll show you. Take me a second here. I'll open that up so you can see it. Okay. So, good news is I used red thread locker on these yesterday. None of them are broken, but they're all loose. So I don't know. I switched over to stainless, hoping that that would help some. Maybe I should have let it set up, gave it the 24 hours. But there's so much, the one way, there's so much torque, so much pressure on this particular gear. Because it's your first gear. I had to replace these. The one-way bearings right here, that's all good. That's all holding up. I don't know why I lost that screw. But there's that gear. There's the other. So I'm going to try to get this thing to line up right. I had to shim out my dark sole housing to try to push things out some. And then I had to slot, I had to try to move the whole motor forward. My issue wasn't meshing side to side with it. The whole rig needed to move forward. So, I mean, that is a CY housing on the back of that briefcase. It says it right there. It's a chrome one that I stuck on there. So, we're going to get all this off. Put the AJ dip housing back away. Get a modified RC carrier or another hot racing one, because the hot racing one is in the other rig's working great. But I probably go modified. See, so I got the modified parts on that, shock towers, blah blah blah. And you can either go with I got a dip locker, or I think I know I got a full plastic dip over there. I ain't buying an alloy, another alloy dip housing at this particular time. I can always just throw this locker back into it once I get the gear to get it rolling. Get the motor back in there with the proper inserts. I chewed the bottom of that pretty good. I hope I can get that. I'm sure I'll be able to get the inserts back in, get it all back to normal. But it's my beast. I gotta get. I want to get this thing running right. I'll tear into this, but I'm done messing with it. Anybody wants it? can have it for half price. Maybe they'll have better luck. Okay? Peace.